Some mornings, you don't wait for a reason, you just go. The Azimut Seadeck 9 turns the aft deck into the reason, a private beach club built right into the hull. Built in Avigliana, Italy, by a yard that's been shaping days on the water for 6 decades. This one is lighter by design, a carbon tech superstructure built to move first, then rest. 3 pod drives, and you're past the marina before it's even open. No wallow, no hesitation. This hull was built to get you somewhere, then let you stay there. Cruise through the afternoon glare like it isn't even there. Swim platform drops, steps unfold towards the water. The glass transom disappears, and the plunge pool becomes part of the sea. You're in before you've even thought about it. Plunge pool rigged for the first swim of the day. Foredeck sunpads for the ones who'd rather just watch the coast go by. Steps down to the tender, ready before anyone asks. Full height glass on every deck, so the light never really leaves. And when the sun starts to go, the terrace turns gold. The kind of hour you plan the whole trip around. Below deck is quiet, tailored, built for real rest. Not just a place to sleep between days on the water. But this isn't a boat you admire at the dock. It's a boat you're already gone in by 8, back on the fun island by sunset, and not thinking about tomorrow yet. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.